Namaste from India. Navratri is the festival to worship the Divine Mother Ma Durga. There are many ways to surrender oneself to Divine Mother Ma Durga, either through rituals or through music and dance. People here in Gujarat worship Mother Durga through dance. Whenever we talk about Gujarat, one thing surely comes in everybody's mind. That is Garba Festival. So today I will show you different types of chaniya cholis to wear during Garba Festival. વેલકમ ટુ સંસ્કારી નગરી વડોદરા. તો ચાલો મારી સાથે ચણિયા ચોરી જોવા. લેટ્સ ગો. This is Nava Bazar, the most famous market in Vadodara, specially for chaniya cholis. Various kinds of designer chaniya cholis are available in this market. One of the oldest and most traditional style is patchwork style. Patchwork style has been developed in Kutch. The specialty of this style is the thread work done on the fabric with hands and not to the use of machines. What you see in my hands is dress for men and is called as kedu. Here we can see different types of cholis like off shoulder, sleeveless, backless, printed and crop top cum choli. All these are in trending. This is multicolored lehenga. Any color of choli will match to this lehenga and it's very eye-catchy. This is Banarasi designer lehenga. It's very light in weight and comfortable to wear. This is another multicolored lehenga with flower print. It will give you a glamorous look. The butterfly print looks even more eye-catchy in this lehenga. Besides chaniya cholis, here you can have beautiful jewelries for Garba Festival. Let's move to next shop. It's very big market.
I will not be able to show you the whole market in this short video. For that, you should visit Vadodara. Besides wearing these dresses in Garba Festival, one can wear them in wedding functions also.
If you are enjoying my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Choti Si Asha Anvisha and follow me on Instagram account. Soon I will be back with another vlog on Navratri Garba Festival.
भूल गई क्या बोलना था?
अरे क्या भूल गई?
गरबे के बारे में ना?
हालांकि भूलने से थोड़ी काम चलता है।